Welcome to our woodish workshop. I will explain and show how we make a shoe out of wood. The type of wood that is used is poplar or willow. This is a piece of poplar and it's used fresh and wet. Wet wood is relatively soft and easy to work with. Traditionally, though made by hand, this knife is to shape the outside of the shoe. We use several sizes spoon screws to hollow out the inside. It takes 2 to 3 hours to make a pair by hand. With the machines here, 5 minutes. Now we start with the outside of the shoe. And that works in the same way as duplicating keys. The machine traces this model, the knives cut out the same shape. That's the outside of the shoe. Same principle applies for the inside. Again, a copy is made. Two remaining pieces, the heel and the toe, are cut off by hand. still very wet.
Oh.
So we dry the shoe very carefully. It's air dried for 3 to 4 weeks. After drying, the shoe is polished. This is the final result. And this is a shoe to fit a child of 4 years old. That looks quite big, but that is not what they are. We wear them with thick wool tops and 1 finger extra room behind it. That way they're comfortable. Reasons to wear them. First of all, they're very strong, they offer good protection. But also they insulate and they're waterproof. Keep your feet warm, dry and safe when you work outside. Well, that's how it's done. I thank you very much for your attention. Have a good one. Have fun. Enjoy the stay home.
ये पैर के साथ है।